So check this one. In this one, even if we add rows or columns, we are not going to get all the elements are same. So, but then already all the elements of the first column is already given as some numerical values, right? Here you get all ones. So it is better that you make, using this column, you make all the elements of that column or most of the elements of that column as zeros. So how can you do that? If I subtract first row from the second row, I can get 0 here, and similarly if I subtract first row from the third row, I can get 0 here. So I am going to do that. So I am going to subtract first row from the second row, first row from the third row, and replace the result with the corresponding rows. Then I got this one. From this I got this matrix. And now in this determinant, most of the elements of the first columns are zeros, right? Therefore the value of this determinant is nothing but, you can take this one, and then you can find out the determinant of these four elements, right? 2 by 2 matrix. Now since this matrix can be the determinant value of this matrix is nothing but the determinant value of this matrix, I have just written those four elements. Now if you observe these four elements, see, this is one element, these two are combinedly one element, this is one element, and this is one element. And if you observe this, I can pull out a minus b as common from the first row, because here there is a minus b and here also there is a minus b, because a square minus b square can be written as a minus b into a plus b. That is the reason. So I can pull out a minus b, so I have pulled it out, and again I can pull out c minus d. Here there is c minus d, here there is c minus d. I can pull out c minus d, and again I can pull out a minus c from here and from here. Therefore I pulled it out, and then I can pull out b minus d from here and from here. I pulled it out. Then this is the resulting one. Now if we can simplify it, we are going to get this expression. So you can take this one and you can just apply this AD minus BC rule, and then you can simplify the result, and you can put them all in this format. In case if the option is going to be in this format, you can convert it, otherwise you can go according to the option. You need not come to this final expression. It depends on what is there in the options, right? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.